Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the Trade Assistant EA. It's a tool that is a bit different from most of what we cover here. This is built as a trade management assistant rather than a fixed automated strategy. So now a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, you can get one for free. Just check the link in the description below. All right. Now, the Trade Assistant EA is available for MetaTrader 5. Now we're just going to be walking through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Andras Bessenye, listed under utilities rather than experts, currently in version 1.1, and it was last updated back in September 20th, 2024, and it has 20 activations. It's currently priced at $50 US. According to the description, this is designed as a comprehensive trade management tool. You can set stop loss and take profit at chosen distances using either points or ATR, define break-even and trailing sizes, choose trailing on candle close or in real time, and also preview SL and TP lines based on percentage or lot size before you even enter a position. It also works as a position manager that can integrate with other indicators and time frames. It supports both manual and automated trading and lets you set personalized trading hours and no trade zones. Okay, so the page is upfront that it is recommended for experienced traders who plan to combine it with their own technical analysis. All right. Now, with respect to how it works, the page explains that the EA uses a combination of ATR, moving averages, DEMA, that's the double exponential moving average, and the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence. All right. So it uses these conditions to identify potential setups, price relative to the MA, a DEMA crossover, an MACD crossover, and MACD position relative to the zero line all need to align before it waits for the next candle to trigger an entry. But it can also be run fully manually using buy and sell buttons on the panel. There is a genuinely large set of controls here. Stop loss, take profit, break even, and trailing can all be set in points or ATR with an adjustable ATR period. Position sizing can be based on risk percentage of the account or a fixed lot size. There is a preview function with draggable SL and TP lines, one-click break-even and close all buttons, an algo trading panel where you can toggle EMA, DEMA, MACD, and pyramiding rules on or off, and multi-time frame entry logic from M1 up to the daily. Okay. It can run on up to 3 pairs at once and includes daily trade limits and customizable no trade zones and trading hours. All right, so now here is the important part before we get to the back test. The developer is explicit on the page that this tool is not designed to generate consistent profits through default out of the box use. Okay. Specific combinations of instruments, time frame, no trade zones, and points or ATR values can produce gains when precisely configured, but the default setup alone is not built to be profitable on its own. All right, so it is recommended for semi-automated use, where a trader combines their own technical analysis with the EA and only lets auto trading run when a setup aligns with the current trend. So now let us just move into the historical testing. All right, I ran this test on a $10,000 account, and I ran it on gold XAUUSD on the H1 time frame covering January through July 2026, about 7 months. And here is what the test actually shows. 0 trades were opened during that entire period, resulting in no net profit or loss whatsoever. Now, given what the developer states directly on the page, this actually lines up with what we are going, what would expect. Since the default configuration is not intended to trade profitably on its own, and this particular test was not customized with a specific instrument, time frame, and no trade zone combination, the EA simply did not find conditions worth acting on in fully automated mode. So if you are interested in this EA and you want to make use of it, you should actually consider having, manual inputs, all right, and not just running the EA on fully automated mode. Okay, so to wrap up, based on the available information, Trade Assistant EA is fundamentally a trade management and position sizing utility rather than a plug and play strategy. Okay, and that is exactly what this test reflects. No activity under a default unconfigured setup. So if you are considering this one, the real value is likely in pairing it with your own chart reading and technical analysis rather than expecting it to trade on its own. And I'm going to recommend spending real time building and testing a specific configuration before drawing any conclusions about its performance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.